Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. I just want to say a very big thank you to my old subscribers, to my new subscribers, and to everybody that will see these videos. I just want to say a very big welcome. So I brought you good news, as always. And I know this is a type of one that will help you straight away. And this is to everybody that is a student in the UK. Everybody that has jackpot, everybody that is jackparing, and everybody that will yet to jackpot. And if you're wanting to you've jackpot and you want to bring your family along, you need a bigger space to move into, it's not a problem. And you need a student accommodation before coming this September, it's not a problem. Guess what? Myself and Amber Living, we've partnered together to bring you this amazing opportunity where you will go to their website, right? And then you'll be able to click the link I'm going to put on my description box right there. Click it and then take it straight to Google Chrome or Safari, wherever you do your search from. Just put the link there and search, and link will pop up. Voila. And the first thing you see there is my beautiful face. Yes. And then when you see it on top there, it shows you how you can do a search to every city you want. And when you get to that city, when you get there and then you check so many houses ranging from 100, I saw a house, £106 a week. That is a bargain. I'm telling you this. So just go there, enter every city, any city you want to whatsoever, and then all the whole rooms they have available, house they have available, everything will just pop up for you. It's not very difficult. I've gone to that website. I've checked it myself over and over again. Trust me when I said I have. It's a straightforward thing that you need to, look at houses, put the houses you want, it will all pop out. You choose exactly the range you want. It's very affordable, like I said. Just click it, open it up, check the house, check everything. They are all fully furnished. Very beautiful. And if you want to go ahead, make an adjustment whatsoever it is, do a cancellation. It is a free cancellation. You don't need to worry yourself whatsoever. It's not worth struggling. And this is for people who are coming to the UK newly, in any part of the UK, and you feel like it's going to be difficult for you to find house, because in this couple of months, let's be truthful, it's been like roller coaster for some people who are wanting to find a hostel. I know people who are not able to find a place, they are still squatting at the moment. So this video is for you and your friends. You know what I mean? So head down to my description box, take the link there, click it straight down to this page right here, as you can see, and then be able to see everything for yourself, any city you want to whatsoever. Very affordable. And if you have your doubt, there's a place called Triple Advisor. I think I'm right. Go down there, you will see reviews. From there, you can see the down the bottom of this place where it opened. You will see at some point, you will see the review part will pop up where people are literally, saying thank you, and that is stress-free. You do not need to worry yourself. If you feel like you've done it in error, or you've done it like, oh, I feel like it's a little bit far from my uni, or I feel like it's not conducive, or it's not comfortable and all that, do not worry at all. It is a free, 100% free cancellation. You just cancel it. And if you feel like, oh, I can't navigate around this website, it is not difficult. But if you feel that way, trust me, there's so many numbers. All you need to do is the 3 dots right there. Just click it, it will open, drop down for you, and you see numbers there. And immediately you open on the page or the website, you will literally see chat me there, and then there you'll be able to chat anybody up, ask questions, make inquiries before you start, and the rest of them. It is a straightforward thing, and you do not need to struggle. It's gone are the days where you struggle because of houses. We've got you covered, okay? So don't worry about it. Do your best, which is your bit, which is going down, taking the link down there in my description box, head down to your search bar, put it there and search, go down there, find what you want, make your quick payment, and remember, the houses are not sitting down there waiting for you. Do you know what? September is a new batch of students coming into the country from different walks of life, and they need a place to live. So if you're going to sit down and thinking, oh yeah, don't worry, let me think about it, it would definitely disappear. So all you need to do is hurry up as quick as you can and get yourself sorted, have a place to stay in this summer, and have peace of mind. It is very important. So I am just going to, let you have a look, continue having a look to this website, look at it, look at the rooms. They are really, really, really beautiful. They are beautiful, and then at the end of the day, tell me like if this is not a great, this is a great achievement, I would say, because come on now, it was very difficult. Like last time, about 2 weeks ago, 3 weeks ago, I had a couple of people asking me, oh my god, Chichi, I want a house, my family is coming over, I want a place to stay, and obviously we can't stay in school hostel. This is the reason why we've done this. Like, just don't need to worry. Click the link in my description box, take that, go home and click away. So after this, I'm going to do well to share this with some people who I know that are looking for houses, so that it's easy for them. So if you know what is good for you, rush there before them. Don't even let them get there before you, because I know they'll surely find something. There's so many bargains there. Imagine a house, £106 a week. Me and you know that there's no place you can get something like that. It's not even possible. So if you have this opportunity, please make use of it. You will really love it. And I just want to say a very big thank you for listening to me bring you this opportunity. I would say is, what would I call it? It's a miracle. It is a miracle that you can click a website and find a house without even bothering yourself, the comfort of your home, finding a place you love, go there, see the house, pay for it. Boom, you've moved into your own house. It's as simple as that. Okay, so I'm just going to let you, click away, check this website, do your research, call, and you will get answers, and I will see you in my next other video. If you have any question whatsoever, please go ahead and ask me in the description box, and I'll be happy to answer you. And once again, I just want to say thank you to all of you who want to japa. Life has been like, it's easy for you now. It's made easy. I know you've had your update from the people who are struggling with house and the rest of them, and you can tell how difficult it is. But now it's not going to be difficult, because your God got you covered, isn't it? Right. Thank you so much. I will see you in my next other video. Thank you so much.